One word to describe Neil, my MAF, selfless. Sobrang selfless niya, hindi lang sa family, even friends, katrabaho, as in, wala akong masabi. Mas uunahin niya pa yun kesa yung sarili niya. He's very selfless. Selfless, compassionate. And I think maraming mag-a-agree sa akin about that.
Throughout the years, time and time again, Neil has proven that he's one of the best people that you could really pour out your problems to and rely on when you need help. So, Neil, on your 50th birthday, happy birthday. Gaya ng sinabi ng mga ibang kasama dito, welcome to the club. Welcome to Club 50. Ayun, so looking forward to another 50 more years of friendship with you. Happy birthday.
Kasi meron siyang ginintuang puso. Napakabait na tao, wala akong masabi, mapagmahal. Hindi siya nawala sa pamilya ko, hindi siya nawala sa buhay ko. Ups and downs, lagi siya nandyan. And happy birthday, Tol. Mahal na mahal kita. Lagi ako nandito para sa iyo. Lagi mong tatandaan yan. Kagaya ng kung paano ka sa pamilya ko, paano ka sa akin. Mahal na mahal kita, Tol. Happy birthday. Love you, Tol.
Si Neil sensitive. Pero sensitive in a very positive way. Yeah. Tol, happy 50th birthday at welcome to the club. Huwag kang mag-alala, masaya maging 50s. Saka alagaan mo yung health mo. Yun ang laging concern namin mga kaibigan mo sa'yo.
Siya yung tipong tao na kahit hindi ka niya nakikita o malayo ka man din, mahahanap pa niya kahit lalo na pagdating niya. Alam mo may problema ka at alam niya may kailangan ka niya ng tulong o may tatanungin ka sa kanya, dumarating yan at pipilitin ka niya. So, kaya sinabing para siyang professor din eh. Kasi sinabi ko binocular kasi kahit malayo wala ka talaga, hahanap, makikita ka niya at bibigyan ka ng mga magandang salita at saka kasama. Katulad sinabi ni Jerome kanina na kakampi. So, more than kapatid pa yan eh.
Neil, happy birthday. Sana mas maging masaya ka at maging matagumpay sa mga gusto mo pang gawin sa buhay. Alam natin yung mga gusto nating aspirations natin, kung ano natin ang mga gusto nating marating. Wish you the best, my brother. You're the brother that I never had. Mas mahaba pang panahon ng pagsasamahan. Happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday, my brother.
Salamat at nakakilala kita. Isa kang mabait na direktor at isang mabait na kaibigan. Happy birthday sa'yo, Direk.
A, you're adorable. B, you're so beautiful.
C, you're so cute and full of charm.
Yun lang. So, happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Hi, Direk Neil. Happy birthday. I just want to wish you a happy birthday. And praying for your safety palagi, your good health, a happy relationship with Ate April, and a very healthy, long life.
One word to describe Ninong Neil, generous. Kasi very generous si Ninong since I think 7, 6 years old ako. So I've known him for not half of my life, but most of my life. So kahit na minsan, wala masyadong racket, pero he will share everything to me or to my siblings or even to my cousin. Happy 50th birthday. I hope mas humaba pa yung life mo and marami pa tayong bonding. I love you so much and I miss you always.
Kung may isang salita na would best describe Tatay Neil, it would be mabuti. Kasi, naiyak ako. Kasi wala akong ibang taong nakilala na kasing buti ng puso niya. Isa siya sa mga pinakamabuting taong nakilala ko. And I'm grateful and thankful na naging tatay kita, especially nung nawala si Daddy. Sobrang pinapagpasalamat ko yun sa Diyos na ibinigay ka niya sa akin. I wish na good health mo through the years, and sana maging masayang-masaya ka ngayong birthday mo. Enjoy dyan sa New Zealand and date tayo soon. Love you! Bye!
You're very affectionate. And I'm just really, really grateful that you became part of my life. Lalong-lalo na po sa mga araw na I was at my lowest. You were there for me. You became a father figure to me when I didn't have any parents who would guide me. I'm just really grateful na pati po kayo ng buhay ko. I just really, really love how you love me as your own daughter. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo tayo. And I will always be here for you no matter what. Kasi ganun yan po yung ginawa niyo sa akin during the days when I needed someone. Tay, happy birthday from Don Julio and happy birthday from Yoda!
Fatherly. Why? Because you are such a dad to everybody, and especially to me. So, you know naman, ever since nawala si Papa, you've been there, and I'm super grateful na that's who and how you are. So, happy birthday. I'm very, like I said, I'm very grateful for you, and I hope and I pray that God will bless you with health, wealth, and many more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Ninang Boyet. I hope you have a nice day at New Zealand.
Happy birthday, Ninang Boyet.
Thank you for always taking care of us.
We love you.
Mwah!
Sana matupad lahat ng wish mo and many birthdays to come para long life. Happy lang. Ingat dyan. Love you.
Years na tayo magkasama. Stay happy, stay healthy. Mahal kita, alam mo yan.
Happy birthday, Neil Poy. Isa ka sa mga tao na napaka-positive lang lagi. Na kahit na ano yung mga sinasabi o kinukwento namin sa yung mga nega, wala akong maririnig na pangit na mga comment mo. Enjoy your day, and you know that we love you so much. We're always here for you and Roxy. Enjoy vacay. Happy birthday, Ninang.
Happy birthday, Ninang.
Surprises, ayaw niya ng party. For his 50th, ang request niya lang talaga is mag-celebrate ng tahimik at mag-New Zealand. Well, sorry, hindi ko kayang ibigay sa'yo yun. Kasi I feel like kailangan makapag-celebrate ka kasama yung family, loved ones, friends dito sa Pinas. So, gusto kitang i-share sa kanila. Ayoko na tayo lang yung magse-celebrate ng 50th birthday mo dahil I know itong mga taong kasama natin ngayon, malaking part sila ng buhay mo.
Si Direk Neil, napakabait at napakabuting tao at kaibigan. Very sweet, sobrang cool na director at masarap kasama. So happy birthday, Direk! I love you! God bless you!
Happy birthday! Mahal na mahal kita, mahal na mahal ka namin. Patunay na lahat kami dumayo sa malayong bayan ng Fairview, Caloocan. Para sa'yo, maraming salamat sa buhay mo. Pinagdadasal kita lagi. Tsaka, magpaka-healthy ka na please for next 50 more years.
Happiest birthday to you, Papa. I hope you have a wonderful day filled with joy and love. Always know that I will always be here for you and you will always be kept close to my heart. Love you.
Nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon at ibinigay ka sa amin na parte ng aming pamilya. Nagpapasalamat din ako na mabuti kang asawa. Sana kung kay April napaka-responsable, mapagmahal at maalalahan. Hindi lang kay April, pati sa aming pamilya.
Why tall? Because you're a friend, a brother to everyone. And yung pagiging down to earth mo is, so another description yun. Down to earth sa lahat, sa kahit ano man yung nararating mo, very down to earth ka.
My papa is kind, generous, and loving.
Mabait na kaibigan, mapagbigay, sobrang mapagbigay, maalalahanin, and sobrang caring talaga. So, kapag kailangan mo na isang kapatid, ikaw.
Naiiyak ka, birthday mo.
Wishing you more birthdays to come and good health always. Stay happy and enjoy life. We love you.
Our perceptive, witty, and thoughtful uncle. Ninong Boyet, happy birthday. May you have many more to come. Keep safe always. We love you.
Si Direk Neil ay mapagmahal. Ang masasabi ko lang, hindi lang siya mapagmahal sa pamilya niya, pati sa mga kaibigan niya. Kaya ang lagi kong tawag sa kanya, Kuya Idol Direk Neil, kasi para ko siyang kuya. Happy birthday, Kuya Idol Direk Neil. Cheers!
Hi Rekdy, hi April.
Si Tol, grabe. Anong madidescribe mo sa kanya in one word? Huwag kang maiyak.
Loyal. Kasi alam ko kung gaano katagal na yung pagkakaibigan nyo. Alam ko kung gaano palaging nandyan para sa'yo si Direk. At syempre si April. At kahit na kumbaga, si Direk matagal ko na rin kilala sa trabaho. Mula na naging close kami, nararamdaman ko din yung kung paano niya pinapahalagahan yung pagkakaibigan namin. For me, that's loyalty.
Yes, ako naman maalaga. Naku, ang tagal-tagal na nating magkakaibigan, Tol and Sis. And alam naman natin lahat na si Tol, grabe yan mag-alaga. Kung kailangan niya talagang mag-go out of his way para lang maalagaan ka, mabigay yung kailangan mo, mapasaya ka, gagawin talaga niya.
Naka-past life niya, caregiver siya.
I think saint. Saint siya nung pa. Kasi sobrang bait niya ni Tol, hindi niya gagalit.
Grabe mag-alaga yan.
And ang hirap i-describe ka in one word, Tol. Kasi ang dami kong magagandang words na pwedeng i-describe sa'yo. So, yun, Tol. Happy birthday to you. I love you. You know that. Mahal na mahal ka namin. And thank you for the love. We love you, Tol. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
We will always be here for you. And
thank you very much, Direk, sa alaga mo kay Mrs.
Oo
Kay Alpha.
naman.
Kasi yung alaga mo na yun, ramdam niya. At higit sa lahat, ramdam ko rin. At alaga mo rin sa iyong
minamahal na si Sis. We love you both. Happy birthday ulit, Tol. See you soon when we get back.
So, Maf, happy 50th birthday. I hope nagustuhan or magustuhan mo tong surprise namin sa'yo. Naiyak na bigla. Well, ayoko umiyak, pero gusto ko lang maging happy ka lagi. And of course, yung health mo. Alagaan mo lagi yung health mo kasi gusto kong magkasama pa tayo. Masayahin siyang tao. So, kung meron siyang mga problems, kami, or may mga trials, hindi naman yung naiiwasan, pero nagpapaka-strong siya. Of course, nagpe-pray, pero hindi niya yung tipong sobrang tibid-tibid. Kasi, for him naman, lahat ng bagay, like, solution or nangyayari for a reason. Pero I think kaya hindi siya mukhang 50 years old kasi sobrang jolly niya. Lagi siyang masayahin.
Hey Ninong Boyet! I hope you love the decorations, especially favorite superhero Batman and the Muffs. I just wanted to tell you how much I appreciate your sense of humor, positivity, and overall amazing personality. And I get all those traits from you. And remember that mahal kita! Ngayon, bukas, at magpakailanman. Happy 50th birthday, Ninong Boyet! I hope you're enjoying your stay at New Zealand with Tita April and family.
Yes, mag-enjoy kayo ha. Mag-enjoy ka lalo ka na. Birthday mo.
We love you!
basta nakikita ko lang na magkasama kami together. Kung ano man yung ibibigay ni God sa amin, well, lahat tatanggapin namin. Kung ano yung hindi, it's okay. Basta siya lang sapat na. Wow!
Masaya kami dahil dito mo napili mag-celebrate ng 50th birthday mo. So, hindi lang ako masaya, lahat kami sobrang happy dahil nag-spend ka ng time sa amin kasama syempre si Ali. So, I'm really grateful.
You are a blessing. Hindi ka lang blessing for me, a blessing as a son, as a brother, a cousin, a friend, a husband. You are a blessing to so many people. A friend, tol, lahat na.
Sunset. Sunset kasi at the end of a very long day, kahit anong nangyari dun sa araw na yun, sunsets are beautiful and yun yung mga nililook forward ng mga tao.
Tatay. Kasi from the very start pa lang, nung nag-born na ako, alam na namin na ikaw yung second daddy namin.
Loving. Kasi palagi po kayo loving sa akin at sa lahat po. Love you.
Thank you for, again, choosing us, for being here. So, it's an honor. Kuya, mahal na mahal kita. Di ko laging nasasabi ng ganon, pero I love you so much. Thank you for everything. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ninong!
Tol, happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
I love you and we love you and I'm so blessed that you are my brother.
Masarap siyang kaibigan dahil kapag mahal ng kaibigan niya, mahal din niya. Happy birthday, Tol! Ang wish ko sana ibigay na sa iyo ni Lord kung ano man yung pinagdadasal mo at yun rin yung prayer ko para sa iyo. Alam mo na yun. Happy birthday, Tol! I love you.
Loving. O, diba? Bongga!
Totoo naman kasi.
Oo. Super, napaka-loving person mo, Kuya Boyet. Napaka-swerte naming family, mga friends mo. Grabe. So, happy birthday, Kuya Boyet!
Happy birthday, Tol.
We wish you all the best in life and may all your prayers come true, Kuya Boyet. And wish you always good health and long life. So, cheers for the good life! We love you, Kuya Boyet. Happy birthday again. See you soon.
Si Kuya Neil ay isang pusher. Pusher yan ang buhay ko. Kasi marami na akong mga bagay na sinukuan at pangyayaring sinukuan sa buhay ko. Pero siya lang bukod tanging push ng push sa akin. Halika na, gawin na natin to. Pero it turned out, tama naman pala siya. Kaya thank you for that, Kuya. Happy birthday, Kuya Neil. Thank you for being a big brother to me that I never had. Love you.
In your arms. Oh, oh. 'Cause you get lighter the more.
Hindi ko alam kung paano ko i-explain kung gaano ako ka-bless to have you as my map. And hindi ko ma-describe kung gaano kita kamahal. So, yung mga pagsasungit ko sa'yo, well, lambing yun, ma. So, ngayong 50th birthday mo, I hope madagdagan ka pa ng another 50 years na magkasama tayo. I love you and I'm always here for you. Happy birthday and enjoy!